Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate payment delay days in Excel. So here you can see data, customer name, invoice date, due date, payment date. To calculate delay date, select the cell is equal to, type here max, select the max function, in bracket, type the 0, then comma, then select the D2 minus C2 bracket close. Here in this formula, max in bracket 0 ensures that early or on-time payment shows the 0 instead of a negative number. D2 is payment date and C2 is the due date. Understood? Then press the enter and here you see the delay date calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see the all data field here. Next, to calculate status, select the cell is equal to, type here if, select the if function, then select the E2 delays date is equal to 0, comma, double quote. Here I just type on time, then double quote, comma, type the if, select the if function, again select the delays date E2, then less than is equal to 7, comma, double quote. Then here I type the late, double quote, comma, double quote, very late, and double quote, then bracket closed and last bracket closed. Okay, I just give here the space and that's it. Here in this formula, if E2 means delays days, is equal to 0, then status will on time. If E2 is less than is equal to 7, then status will late, otherwise very late. Understood? Then press the enter and here you see 3 days delays late status here showing. Double click on this corner point and you can see data field below the cell. And here the one bonus trick to highlight delays days with the conditional formatting. Select the first delays date column, then go to the home tab and click on the conditional formatting. Click on the highlight cells rule, click on the greater than, and here type 0. Okay. And select here the color. I just click on this drop down arrow and here I select the light red field with the dark red text. After that, click on OK and here you see the all late status showing the delays date with the red color field. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.